How to change invoice template in QuickBooks. So I've just logged into my QuickBooks account, and from the top right corner we want to click on the gear icon. Once selected, you will see this custom form styles under your company. So click on custom form styles here and it will look like this. Now we want to click on new style, and from the drop down menu we want to select invoice. Once we have selected this, then we can customize our invoice right here. So we can change up the template. If we click on it, then it will show us some pre-made templates. So we can do friendly, bold, fresh. I like how this one looks, so I'll just add this one, and we can also add our unique logo here. So if we click on add logo, then we can select to add our logo here to the invoice. And we can choose the font as well. So we can choose what type of font we want to use. So Times New Roman as an example here. And what else can we do with the content here? We can edit this. So if we choose a section here, then we can edit all of the information by left clicking on the section, and emails here we can customize the emails as well. Basically, after you're done with this, then you simply click on done, and that's how you change your invoice template in QuickBooks. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.